Are you looking for a way to download Bing Chat and get the Bing AI chatbot on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to download the app and get the Bing AI chatbot on your phone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Apple App Store, tap the search option at the bottom right, and then search for Bing. After that, tap and select Bing Chat with AI and GPT-4. And then simply tap the Get button over here. And then double-click the side button to confirm this installation. And it will take a couple of seconds or minutes, depending on your internet connection, to download and install this. Once that's done, tap Open, or you can go to the home screen and tap on the app icon to open it. And now it will ask you if you want to allow notifications, so go ahead and select whichever option you want. Tap Skip at the top right corner of the screen. And then you want to sign in. If you don't already have an account, you can create one. Once you've signed in, just tap the Bing logo at the bottom center of the screen to access the Bing AI chat. And now you can use this AI chat feature like you normally would on your computer. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.